Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm so excited to do it because this is going to be so much fun. We're going to do a little art video. The art that we're going to be making today is literally so easy, everyone can do it. We're going to do some spackle art. Well, hopefully I can do it. I've never done it before and I'm really excited to try it. There's loads of videos on here of people doing it and it seems super fun, super easy. Didn't watch too many of them. I just kind of like want to wing it a little bit, you know what I mean? But I saw people doing it and I'm like, dude, that looks like so much fun. Gotta try it. So we're gonna head to Home Depot, see what we can find, and hopefully, I'm praying it's all under about $15. Alrighty, let's go to Home Depot. Okay, I'm back. So I got some things. I spent a little bit more than 15. I spent subtotal $16. That's pretty good. And I bought a Coke that was $2. So I needed a Coke. So I actually got everything for that amount. So I'm actually really proud of myself. What a guess that $15 would be how much it costs. And the paint that I got are all the sale paints. This one was a whopping 50 cents. Oh yeah, hopefully it's a cute color. And this one I got was a whopping $2, which is kind of like a pinky color. Hopefully they're not super ugly. So I was with kind of a cheaper option. I got this one. It was a bigger size because I have a big like board. Here, let me show you my board. So this is the board I am working with. It's a very cheesy home sign that I'm not really into the style anymore. I find it kind of cheesy. So I kind of want to paint over it and do some kind of cool plaster art thing. I don't know, we'll see how it works out. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and real quick do a little quick coat of paint underneath. Both of these paints are paint and primer, so I think it's gonna cover up the home pretty well, hopefully. I just don't want to get the spackle and then it still show like the black home underneath. Let's get to painting. Ooh, that covers up pretty good. Oh wait, I like this. So I couldn't find my painter's tape and this might be really, really bad, but you know what? I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit and just try to be real, real careful. So we're gonna let this paint dry, we're gonna get to spackling, and then we'll get to painting. Oh wow. That is very pink. Okay, so this thing is like mostly dry. I feel like I still see the home symbol. Do you guys see it? I'm sure. Ugh. I pray after the plaster y'all can't see this. I'm so done with this home sign. See, you can still kind of see it. Home. I'm telling you, y'all can see it, can't you? Oh, let's hope this plaster covers that up. And it's still a little wet, but like, we're just gonna go for it because I'm impatient. Alrighty, let's do the plaster. Let's see what this looks like inside. Ah, I'm gonna just rip it open. Whoa! Look how weird that looks. Ew, it kind of stinks. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the spackle part of this whole thing, and not gonna lie, I love it white. You can definitely see some of the gray behind it, but I think it looks kind of cool. So I'm trying to think what painting I want to do. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Okay everyone, it's been sitting overnight. It's finally dry now. I wanted to paint yesterday evening, but it was just like way too wet. But look how cool this thing looks. I definitely think it's gonna look cooler after I paint it. But look at that. All the detail. I don't know, I'm just really excited to paint it. I hope I don't choose really crappy colors and just totally ruin it. Alrighty everyone, we are completely finished. Look at this thing, it's absolutely beautiful. I really love this. I didn't think I was gonna like this that much. I thought it was gonna look like a little bit lame, a little bit cheesy, but I think this turned out pretty good considering I didn't really plan too much and I just kind of winged it. But you know what, winging it, I think you just have so much more fun if you just wing it. But yeah, if you don't like this color scheme, don't blame me, blame the sale rack at Home Depot because that's pretty much all they had. I just like the color, it brings so much color into the room. Normally all pictures I buy are focused around something or anything I paint, like I never do abstract type art. This is a bit like modern, but I don't know, it's kind of fun. I think it adds a little bit of fun to the house. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye now.